गुड मॉर्निंग। हम लोग इतना थक गए थे कल के ट्रैवल के बाद से कि हमसे सुबह उठा तो नहीं गया टू वॉच सनराइज। क्लाउड्स भी बहुत है, सनराइज तो हुआ ही नहीं। ओह या बट ब्रो यहाँ पे सुबह भी मुझे लगा था कि सुबह थोड़ा भीड़ कम होगी, लेकिन दनांग बीच इज फुल ऑन hyped and peppy in the morning as well. Look at this. And there's songs playing outside. It's 6:30 in the morning. मुझे लगा था हम लेट उठे हैं, but 6:30 is I think late in Vietnam. And I was like, where are these songs playing? पता नहीं आपको सुन रहा है कि नहीं, मैं अभी दिखाती हूँ आपको. 6:30 in the morning. This is so nice. मैं यहाँ रहती तो मैं पक्का जी के साथ डांस सीख लेती और जी भी कर लेता.
क्या बातें कर रही हो भाई मेरे लिए?
Look at this, baby, come out.
They're dancing there, right?
Yeah, what?
I saw.
This is not 6:30 a.m. हम लोग आ गए हैं बीच पे और जी जाएगा रनिंग करने.
Now I'm thinking कि should I run along the beach side
और
or on the concrete over there? I think I'll start running on the beach side. अगर मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो मैं वहाँ चले जाऊँगा.
या डू दैट. आज सूरज निकला नहीं है या फिर लेट निकलता है यहाँ पे, पता नहीं. टाइमिंग सनराइज का 5:30 5:45 था, बट वी मिस द टाइमिंग बाय हाफ एन आवर. बट अभी भी ऐसे सूरज की किरणें दिख नहीं रही हैं, सो वी जस्ट प्रैक्टिस विद द साउंड ऑफ द वेव्स.
मुझे यहाँ पे चप्पल दिख रही थी, मेरी साइज फिट नहीं हो रही है मुझे चप्पल की. यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे बोला कि कोई और मार्केट होगा आसपास कि मैं जाके शॉप कर लूँ. he told me that why go to the market when the market can come to you. He called his friend with another like a set of all chappals and everything, and now I have the market with me. Welcome to Vietnam. So I did get more slipper options, but it's still not fitting me, and I feel like Cinderella now. I'm trying on alag chappal. A+ for effort though.
Yeah.
Poor guy, he got
Yeah. They're very sweet.
his
Vietnam
wife or
people are
sister,
very-
whatever, जो लेके आई सारा नया market.
दोस्ती लग रही है।
Yeah, dost, whatever, could be. Time for breakfast though.
Yes.
Hungry.
So we are here for breakfast. हमारे होटल में complimentary breakfast है. So I have taken passion fruit, and then there are steamed veggies, spaghetti with tomato and potato fries, wedges, potato wedges, लेकिन दो ही. और इसके बाद मैंने इतना लिया है. इसके बाद मैं
She's gonna have to have a protein shake
Yeah.
after this because there's no protein here.
That's
at all.
where I was
the sad
coming
part is
to.
the hotel does not have a tofu
yeah.
option. Yeah, it's that.
Yeah,
that's
they
sad.
should have. Yeah.
Probably not today, maybe. First time I'm having boiled egg with a chopstick. Got some rice dumplings from there, steamed rice dumplings. It's veg.
It's veg. मेरे को तो दिखे ही नहीं है.
Over there. सीधे लिफ्ट के सामने.
I'll go. Oh, I didn't go that way.
No, not veg. Sorry, not veg.
Surprisingly, ये होटल में बहुत इंडियंस है.
Yeah. Make my trip पे तो specially there's a section made up by Indians. But good food. Thank you. Come on.
तो मैं घर से अपना प्रोटीन इसमें डाल के लेके आई हूँ. पैक दूसरा है. इसमें है एक्चुअली ईस्ट प्रोटीन. सरप्राइजिंगली मुझे ईस्ट प्रोटीन अब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मुझे प्लांट प्रोटीन से बेटर लग रहा है कई मायनों में, क्योंकि बहुत लाइट है, पानी के जैसे पिया जाता है.
इतना लाइट है, शेकर में डालते हैं ऐसा पूरा उसका हवा में उड़ता है लिटरली, वो स्मोक की तरह.
थोड़ा
इतना ज्यादा लाइट है.
बट यू हैव टू, हाँ यू हैव टू पुट इट स्लोली, तो ज़्यादा नहीं उड़ता है. बट दैट इज,
that's not a problem.
तो वह इसमें कॉफ़ी फ्लेवर फ्रॉम द ब्रांड नेचुरल टीन.
Natural tea.
उसको कैसे बोलते हैं? नेचुरल टी नहीं बोलते,
Natural protein.
नेचुरल टीन. ओह, नेचुरल प्रोटीन. सो उनका कॉफ़ी फ्लेवर यस प्रोटीन आया है. उन्होंने ईस्ट नहीं बोलते वो लोग, यस प्रोटीन बोलते हैं, क्योंकि कहते हैं ईस्ट तो सब बोलते रहते हैं, हम कुछ अलग कर लें. मेरे खाने में सुबह कोई भी प्रोटीन नहीं था, सो आई एम जस्ट पोरिंग इट. हम ना ऐसे बाना हिल्स, मार्बल माउंटेन, मतलब मार्बल माउंटेन मुझे फिर भी सही लगा जाने के लिए, लेकिन हम टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस नहीं जा रहे क्योंकि हम ना चिल करने आए हैं वियतनाम, और हम ऐसे देखने आए हैं कि यहाँ पे कैफ़े हॉपिंग जो हमें पसंद है हमेशा से, वो करेंगे हम. एंड विल जस्ट वॉक अराउंड, चिल एंड नॉट रन हियर एंड देयर लाइक टूरिस्ट, कि एक डेस्टिनेशन से उठ के दूसरी डेस्टिनेशन पे भाग जाओ.
Plus, you know what? It's also very overhyped. I heard that.
एक दो टिकट्स भी बुक करनी है क्योंकि हम यहाँ से फुकॉक जाएंगे.
Yeah, now we have to book tickets from Da Nang to Phuoc and then Phuoc to Ho Chi Minh for our return. So yeah, we have to optimize time. Nice.
Yeah.
तुम्हारा ये टॉप मुझे पसंद है बहुत.
Oh, this camera. It's a video.
I know. Why do I look so stupid with this helmet on, baby?
You look cute. You don't look stupid. We are at a food court kind of a street.
In Corn Market.
In Corn Market.
Corn Market.
In Corn Market. And look at the size of avocados, bro. I'm comparing everything.
Wait,
with my
see this.
Yeah. What crazy size of avocado is that?
So we ordered
We have ordered.
avocado ice cream with mango, and we asked her if it's vegan. She said yes. Let's see if it is vegan or not.
Yeah, he'll try first and he will know if it's not vegan. So yeah.
एक बार ट्राई कर
And
लेंगे अगर
also,
थोड़ा सा दूध
we
होगा तो
asked
क्या
her
पता.
to give in glass and not plastic. You can do that everywhere.
Simple. Because यहाँ पे वैसे प्लास्टिक में दे रहे हैं सब, but
हाँ.
we asked specifically so इसमें मिल गया.
Let's try. You try.
Okay. I think it is.
It is vegan.
The ice
Because-
cream feels like it's coconut.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You can try them. Yeah.
Even if it's not.
But Oh, the mango is so nice. It's very nice, but I'm not a person who has like mango shakes and all. I'm not a shake person. I'll take a coconut.
Okay.
Okay.
60,000, right? Both. One coconut, one this. Total 60. Okay.
Okay. No straw. No straw.
No sugar, no ice.
No straw.
No straw, no straw.
Count it.
वियतनाम करेंसी का एक हैक बताऊं, ये जो इसके आगे 3 जीरो है, भूल जाओ 3 जीरो है. 50, 60.
I have.
बताओ अभी देखो. 60,000. Okay, come on.
Baby, hold.
ना ठंडा नहीं है, बट अच्छा है.
Very nice. जहाँ पे मैनेज हो जाता है प्लास्टिक का अवॉइड करना, वहाँ हम कर लेते हैं. कल इसने मिल्क शेक लिया था मैंगो वाला, वहाँ पे इसने प्लास्टिक नहीं ले लिया था. तो ऐसा है कि सब लोग पूछते हैं कि आप कैसे करते हो, लेकिन जब जहाँ हो सकता है आपको पता है हो जाएगा, थोड़ा फील आ जाती है ना, वहाँ कर लीजिए. नहीं हो पाता है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो. दूसरी कंट्री में आपका लैंग्वेज बैरियर भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है.
Mango.
बट आई लाइक
I'm not sure if the ice cream that they put is vegan or not, so I'm not giving her the ice cream. Avocado और mango दे रहा हूँ तुम्हें.
But it does taste a lot coconutty, so I think it is coconut ice cream. Because यहाँ पे
Yeah.
वियतनाम में बहुत कोकोनट चलता है. मैं उनके सुपरमार्केट्स में भी देख रही हूँ तो कोकोनट क्रैकर्स, कोकोनट बिस्किट्स आर filled with it.
Yeah.
The markets are filled with coconut stuff. I think they have a coconut jelly also.
Really?
See, look at that.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This market. All the local food here.
Okay, let's go.
So we have left the corn market
Yeah.
and we are going for. What are we going for?
We are going to a cafe, a vegan cafe. यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे vegan options
We are
हैं.
going to a vegan cafe.
The good thing is that they write in their names that it's, you know, they are vegan cafes. क्या हो गया?
Yeah.
फोन आ रहा है?
Google Maps कौन देखेगा भाई?
ओह, हमको
तुम वो भी कर रही हो. Google Maps कौन देखेगा?
Google Maps देखना ही भूल गए. हाँ.
So right now we are heading to Kurumi, Be Healthy Vegan Food and Desserts.
Kurumi.
Like I searched for one and it says Komoriti Vegan. It's showing Craft Cafe which is also apparently vegan. See then, Pho but vegan. See, Pho but vegan. Vegan pho served here. Crazy. Okay. Kurumi. Let's see how Kurumi looks. See, it looks really nice. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So Kurumi it is.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. So we are at this Kurumi Healthy Vegan Desserts and Food. Let's see how this is. Wanna have a look at the menu? Wait, let me zoom it in. Chickpea protein omelette. That's mad. It's basically chila. Yeah. It's chila, bro. Look at the menu. It says good food with good vibe. And look at the place we are sitting. Smells so good.
There's some brown noodles. It looks purple. Purple noodles.
They're given steel
Chopsticks.
chopsticks.
This is peanut gravy.
No, I'm gonna eat. You can have the fork. You have the fork.
Yeah.
Nam ke maze. What are these flavors? Brother, what?
But it tastes so good.
But it's very tasty.
Very tasty. I love the noodles. I don't know what these noodles are.
I'm dropping too much.
I'm making big bites. So that's why I'm dropping a bit of everything.
Keep it here. So,
I don't mind. नीचे गिर जाए तो भी खा लेते हैं.
5 second
If
rule.
the place is clean, कुछ लोग.
Very nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
I'm so happy we came here. Especially for you because yesterday she was getting so uncomfortable eating at the
Yeah, like the
local market.
I was a non-vegetarian.
yeah, but never into pork and
yeah,
beef. So
yeah.
and यहाँ पे इतना सारा Like every place, all the street food has so much of pork, beef. In fact, I don't really blame her because I also feel a bit uncomfortable because बचपन से मैंने इतना पोर्क बीफ तो नहीं देखा खाया स्लैश जो भी जितना हम खाते भी तो चिकन ही है ना, पोर्क एंड चिकन बहुत ज़्यादा खाते थे तो obviously I was okay with that, but the smell of other foods, it actually really bothers many people. So yesterday she was very uncomfortable at the market when I had the pork banh mi. I was also very keen on visiting a good vegan cafe, and when we saw this I was like चलो ठीक है पक्का ये तो श्वेता के लिए डिलाइट होगा यहाँ पे.
मैंने बोला भी नहीं इसे but he knows. And I thought यहाँ पे vegan options होंगे लेकिन पूरा vegan होगा ये मुझे नहीं पता था. Completely vegan.
Oh, these are tofu skins.
Oh yeah, I thought it's cabbage. It has protein.
Very
Tofu
less though.
skins. Yeah, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Because of all the crunch, I really thought it's cabbage.
Come on. Looks really nice. Okay, so vegan banh mi. Looks really nice.
Yeah, so big.
That's what she said.
You can cut it
That's what she said.
so we can share easily.
That's what she.
It's so good. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Such a good.
This is better than the pork banh mi. This is so much better.
Come to vegan.
It's in a more
cafes.
hygienic place, so I think it's also the fact that we've gotten used to hygiene and like eating at good places that the street food seems a bit too underwhelming.
Yeah, भैया.
But for the price, yeah, like there's like what 120,000. You're paying a lot, like almost 400. Compared to street food, maybe you'll get it for like 200.
Yeah.
So, but then still for the quality and the taste, everything,
so good.
the ingredients are premium. See, multigrain bread.
Good amount of tofu.
Yeah,
It's
good
not
amount
like,
of tofu. Yeah, it's nice. It's filling. ये अगर स्ट्रीट में मिल जाता ना मैं नहीं खाता पोर्क. सच में मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा.
I'm going to keep it for the last. ठंडा भी हो जाएगा तो भी खाया जाएगा.
There is no way we could have missed this.
We are just leaving from Kurumi and oh my god, the food is so good. It's all vegan.
अब मुझे तुम्हारे हिसाब से फिल्म में एडजस्ट होते रहना पड़ेगा. अब
Okay,
तुम
let
भागो
me-
भागो उधर. अरे ऐसा आता रहना पड़ेगा मुझे.
Oh, what happened?
Subject lost.
Subject lost.
Camera is like subject lost. Where are you human?
So if you ever happen to come to Danang, you must come to
Legit.
Kurumi.
Kurumi. I
Even if you're a non-vegetarian like him,
No shit.
you
It doesn't.
have to come
It
here.
doesn't matter. Say for me, food. I never judge food as vegetarian or non-vegetarian. I think of food as food. If it's tasty, it's tasty. If it's nourishing me, it is nourishing me. But tofu banh mi,
Somehow-
every taste that your
Yes.
palate can taste. It's a
Yeah.
bomb. Like चाट जैसे हम खाते हैं.
हाँ.
चाट जैसे हम खाते हैं. चाट में हर फ्लेवर होता है. मीठा,
But-
खट्टा.
But in a
Tikha.
burger kind of a thing.
Yeah,
And
it was
is
not really
so
chaat like,
damn
but it
nice.
had that
Yeah.
effect on your tongue, on your palate. Ki it
That you want
tasted
more.
so
Yeah.
good.
You want to keep going back to it.
But yeah, I will definitely remember this place for a long time because of how amazing the taste was. So
Kurumi, you won us over.
Walking on the beach side of Danang. Yep. This area is so nice. It's filled with tourists, and it looks really pretty.
Jalebi,
नीचे दिखाओ पापा नहीं दिख रही.
जलेबी.
नीचे दिखाओ.
पापा मेरे पौधे में पानी डालो, मर रहा पीछे वो. हाय जलेबी.
क्या हटाओ अब. अरे कैसे सो रहा. What the hell पापा.
हाय पापा.
शेव करो दाढ़ी बढ़ गई. Banzeo.
Banzeo. This is vegan banzeo, and I don't know what the filling is. It's tofu. Yeah, it's
Tofu
not
and
bean.
mushrooms.
Oh, tofu and mushrooms,
Yeah.
and it's like a deep fried crepe. And it's supposed to be nice. I have to see how it tastes. I got it in my own dabba because they are giving styrofoam. Styrofoam is bad.
Yeah, especially hot food.
Very chewy.
Chewy. The pancake. Can I have a bite?
No, the inside. The tofu is very chewy.
Give me a bite of that noodle side.
Yeah. And very oily.
Yeah.
It's deep fried in a pan.
Yeah.
I think I'm only tasting mostly oil
Yeah.
and few veggies. Not that nice.
Yeah. Okay.
A heavy calorie dinner. He has got again banh mi. So yeah, it tastes like something. राइस पापड़ जैसा टेस्ट है बाहर का. Yeah. Why is it so chewy?
Because it's street food. Street food is like crazy fried. So, and I like how even the street food has a lot of vegetables.
Yeah.
Even the banh mi has lettuce and pickle and all of that cabbage.
I asked her which oil because usually people cook in fish oil here.
And it smells a lot like fish.
It smells a lot like fish, so I asked her. It's like all vegan, all vegan. And it's fried banana. I wanted to have that, but then Zee
I
is
don't
not
want to.
sharing it, so I can't eat the full thing. So I will have my aloo. This is Somta market.
Sontra.
Somtra.
Sontra.
Sontra. I had to get something for myself और मुझे bags ये वाले बहुत पसंद है. So I bought one.
Give the review. Why are you so shocked?
It was sweet. I thought it's इंडिया में कैसे थोड़ा spice रहता है.
हाँ. छोटा भाई खिला देती. हाँ. Handshake. Handshake. Handshake.
Okay. He wants this.
भूख की भाषा. like ठटा खाना दो मुझे. Sorry Miu. Great performance. So there was some amazing performance going on there. See, it's still going on actually.
Very nice, very intense.
Very
with
high energy drum
yeah.
performance, right? And there was some Indian creator with like lakho ka gear literally, okay? As soon as the lady, the performer came for tips, he just fled the fuck out of there. Like both of them just fled the fuck out of there. And I was, what? But whatever, good performance, we enjoyed.
You'll see it
And
here.
this Sontra night market
I
is
think
really
you saw
good.
it already.
Sontra night market is actually very enjoyable. Yesterday also it was enjoyable. Today also. Like, हम 2 दिन आ गए.
Yeah, you really don't have to like buy
And
a lot of
especially on
stuff,
Friday,
but you
Saturday.
can still enjoy.
I guess आज Friday था तो that's why we saw a lot more stuff.
हाँ, वो
Like lot more shops.
Dragon show भी Friday, Saturday,
Yeah.
Sunday होता है.
Lot more shops, lot more like things happening. So definitely like weekends are the best time to come to Sontra night market. So we did a lot of unnecessary shopping, obviously, because most shopping is unnecessary shopping. Meanwhile, Shweta in the background just chilling. Okay, so I got this taro milk. It's definitely not high protein, it's definitely not low sugar, but it's definitely looks like it had to be bought. And I love taro bubble tea. Stop laughing. I love taro bubble tea. Whenever I've had it, I loved it. So I wanted, except the boba, obviously. I don't like the boba much. So without the boba, and then this chocolate roll, banh mi romyan, which supposedly is chocolate because I know banh mi is not chocolate. I know banh mi is something related to bread. This I got from Sontra market, which I got for like 140,000 VND, about 500, a bit short. Yeah, about 500. Okay, about 500 rupees. Which is nice. It's very nice smelling whole beans. I'm gonna grind this and use it later. Today we went to corn market where I got this huge thing for 140, like 500 grams for 140. This is not the same brand though. Obviously, this in supermarkets is sold for like 280,000 VND and I got it for 140,000 VND. So definitely a worth buy. Smells really good. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. This is dark chocolate and macadamia, and surprisingly, it is vegan. Really looking forward to trying this as well, and I'm sure Shweta is also. So say something.
Yes, I'm really excited.
Say thank you, Patidev, for finding one of the best vegan items for me today.
Yeah, I like chocolates.
I found the nicest cafe today, and one of the nicest chocolates. I'm sure it is going to be good. Tax.
That you that you will see on my channel.
Give me the tax, kitchi tax. And then I bought this crazy looking shorts, black colored. Nice shorts, yaar. बहुत अच्छा है. For just 300 rupees. Wait, I got this and this oversized t-shirt which looks really cool, by the way. I got both for 220,000 BND. Yeah, I bargained hard with that guy. No, he told me that total it's 310. I'm making it 280 for you. Okay, so I told him no, 200. And then he told me no, 270. I was like, no, 200. 270 final. No, 220. No, 200. I was like, no, please, 200, please, discount. He's like, no, this very good quality, I can't give. So then all of that shit happened, and then he eventually gave it to me at 220. Good bargaining skills I developed. I never have this in India. I don't know how. And Shweta got this bag, this cute looking bag.
Yeah, I really like it. I love such
Yeah,
bags.
very cute though. It is very cute.
I have a green and brown one from Goa, जो हमारी कमीनी जलेबी ने यहाँ से थोड़ा सा खा लिया है, लेकिन वो पता नहीं चलता, मैं उसे फिर भी यूज करती हूँ. I don't know, it's very nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Yeah, so I was like, and plus I'm not a small bag girl. Like I need this kind of a bag to put my bottle,
Yeah.
my tiffin box that I carry everywhere. Got this.
Which is the
I got it.
Yeah. This was for what? How much? I think 100? Nahin. Oh, this is expensive.
Yeah.
This was
Like,
expensive.
I-
This was the time when Shweta had not gotten a hang of the currency. She
Yeah.
told 300, and then after that she was like, Shweta did not bargain right. She was just like, no, not 300, just 250. I'm like, what? 250 is still like 890 something. I did the math and then I told Shweta, what? No, 250 is still
And
too much
till
for it.
then, that lady was
Till
like,
then,
yeah, done.
Yeah, till then she
Okay.
said 250, yes. And then
Yeah.
when I told her, okay, no, 250 is too much. And like,
But I
Yeah.
didn't have a long skirt, and I really wanted one for a very long time, but I was just not
but
buying
it is pretty. It is pretty.
It is pretty, and it's cotton, so I know that I will wear it a lot more.
ठीक है,
And
for the
you
extra
know-
money we paid, the woman is definitely gonna enjoy one extra banh mi at the Sondra market.
Yeah.
More or less, India में भी इतना ही bargaining हो जाती है. You have to just do it right. But यहाँ पे some things come for cheaper.